Hello friend. Today I have taken one topic from economy. The name of the topic is The Age of Crypto Economics. The last global financial crisis took place in 2008-2009. There were many reasons for it. The most important reason was the greed of banking or financial sector of America. The banking sector had taken huge risks, and finally global economy enters into the recession. So the people had lost faith in the financial sector. This can be illustrated by Occupy Wall Street movement, which took place in USA in 2011-12. This raised a simple question: what options do people have if banks are not to be trusted? A man named Satoshi Nakamoto provided an answer. The answer was Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a currency like pound sterling, dollar, or Indian rupee. It is based on the technology blockchain. There are many reservations regarding the Bitcoin. According to Warren Buffett, the great investors of modern time, the Bitcoin has no intrinsic value like gold or silver. The second reservation is that Bitcoin is just coding of numbers in the computer system. Thus, though there are above reservations about Bitcoin, it is considered to be peer-to-peer, trustless electronic cash system based on technology called blockchain. A major reason seasoned speculator or investor find Bitcoin irresistible is its deflationary nature. Since there can only be 21 million Bitcoins, it cannot suffer a loss in value due to inflation. At present, all the government of the world issue coins, currency, we call it a fiat currency. Government used to print fiat currency indiscriminately. This led to the decline in the value of fiat currency. In this regard, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin may herald the next stage to store money, currency, or wealth. The privatization of currency and disciplining the state by reducing fiat currency into one of the many competing currency may remain the future. To conclude, though use of Bitcoin by common man appears to be distant future still, but no one knows how the future economy will take shape. Thank you for watching my video.